We are one of the UK's largest surf shops, full of surfboards, wetsuits, fashion, based on the south coast in a place called Wittering. 3-4 mile beach, all sandy, really safe. When the waves come up the channel, they just about hit us. Previously, the last lights we had were some halogen systems. They were huge and they used loads of electricity. When looking to try and find a lighting supplier, scouring the internet, we found JCC.
The brief from Shore Watersports was to use the new line of light. The JCC line of light has been perfect for this kind of retail application. JCC's internal lighting design team came in and did a site survey. They evaluated the lights that were in here historically.
The building is originally a car showroom, so we've never had great ceiling height, and trying to display them in the best possible way is just difficult.
And what they did is they upgraded the lighting to use the new linear line of light system, and they've complemented it with some high output track fittings around the edge of the store.
These can be used in offices, commercial, retail.
Yeah, they're wattage selectable, so they go from about 35, 44, 54 watts selectable, and they're colour temperature selectable as well, so they're good for any application really.
Awesome.
We're a small family business. It was crucial to try and find a new way of lighting the shop that dealt with the height we had and also didn't break the bank in terms of the energy efficiency of the building.
By upgrading the lighting to LED, they've saved on their energy consumption and they've also improved the light level on the floor and on the products. The line of light is a product that we've been developing for many years now with contractors, and we wanted to make it as easy as possible to install.
There's a lot of fittings like these. What you'll find is you won't be able to put a suspension kit where they join.
Yeah.
But your one, it can literally go anywhere.
It can go anywhere.
Yeah, and that is really good,
handy.
to be honest.
Everything has been colour-coded, it's all plug and play, there's no tools that are really needed, any of the accessories are all pre-made, so by working closely with the contractors and now coming to site and seeing the final product being installed, we can really validate the process of this design of the line of light.
Once it was all done, the difference was almost immediate. On multiple factors, really. We noticed that the clothes, you could just see the pop of the colours so much more.
We made the diffuser to be kind of low glare, but when we designed it, we tried to make it so it was smooth and even light distribution.
Yeah, you can't see the joins and the fittings when they're up, which is really good.
We're so happy with how the line of light works in here.
It is sort of an architectural, it's a design feature of the store now. Customers love it, so yeah, what more can we ask for, really?